Hello, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. What we got here today, this is Darren's Limitless. We're gonna go over in a second and show and explain everything. This video intended for audience 14 and older. So please pay attention. Let's start. So here it is. This is the Arrma Limitless, and also the infraction can work the same with this body. This is the body from Killer Bodies. This is the Corvette body that they made. It's actually designed for a different brand that we don't mention their name in my shop. And we're gonna open it up and show you what we did, because this is like an 8S vehicle. Darren gonna explain what he did on it. I just want to show the wheelbase because I heard a couple people online claiming that it was too narrow, but it's actually seems to be perfect. There can be a little bit adjustment done for the wheels themselves. You can cut the wheelbase a little bit bigger and kind of in an oval shape, and it will fit better. Let's take the body off and show what there is underneath and explain everything about this car. Darren, your show.
All right.
Tell us what we got here. Let's start with actually, what are those big fans that you put over here?
So these are fans by my good friend Nick. Nick's Turbo fans, Nicholas Tordella. He makes these special. They have a harness over here, and I don't have it on right now, but these run on their own separate battery. They don't plug into the receiver over here. Super powerful fans. Literally, these things, you do a speed run with this motor and the motor probably doesn't even get over 100 degrees. It's crazy how well they work. This is Arrma Limitless running on Mamba XLX with the 1700 kV TP 4050 can motor with Nick's Turbo fans. This is interesting because I've removed the center brace of the car and I've changed it out with this brace from Stupid RC, which actually is the ESC holder, holds the Mamba over here, and gives you access to both battery trays. I have the Ripple Killer cap pack over here. Basically, with this setup over here, the stock Limitless body does not fit unless you lift it up high. So I said, let's go with something. I found the Killer Body's Corvette body, and it's going to fit perfectly once it's mounted and raised up just a tiny bit.
Okay, what motor we have on this one right now?
This is the TP 4050 can 1700 kV motor running on 8S 24 SLs.
Okay, we're gonna zoom in over here. What we got here? What is the gears?
Over here we're running on 34 pinion, 34 spur.
So we're running 1-to-1 on this.
Yeah, literally 1-to-1. This thing is fast. So far it's only been tested, but had it up to about 80, 85 at quarter throttle. It's really quick. And what I'm running here is, this is not the stock setup. This is a not the stock Arrma mount. This is the Hot Racing motor mount and diff mount. This is the Alza Racing diff cap here, and also EM Performance center spool, 8mm spool with HPI drive cup. I'm sorry, Techno drive cups on the outside. So all a little bit stronger. These are still the stock Arrma drive shafts, which will be changed out soon for something stronger than that, though.
Okay, let's flip it to the other side so we can see what we got there.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we have. A massive piece over there. Please expand on that.
Yeah, that's the Ripple Killer cap pack for soldered in here to the XLX.
So this is additional to the cups that come with the XLX.
Yes.
You add this and you get a little bit better result.
Yeah, and I also changed this stock XLX fan for a Wild Turbo fan. Fits in there perfectly, cools much better than the stock fan.
Yeah, make it better. And then what's going on here with the servo and servo mount? What did you do over here?
Basically, this is all stock over here. I have the motor here in the stock position, not in the alternate position, so I didn't need to remove any portion of this over here or anything for that. So this is all stock. Running gear is all stock. Basically, only the center brace has been changed out and electronics from stock. Also, you can see all the wings, front and back, removed for the GT Corvette body.
Okay, now we have another thing that we have to flip the car for. Okay. What are those pieces over here, those carbon fiber pieces?
These are a cool couple pieces I saw from, I think it's called Innovation RC. They have a website, And these are carbon pieces, probably pretty simple to make. You can make it yourself, I'm sure. These already, the interesting thing is this front bumper comes with holes from Arrma for these pieces. It's like it's already planned. I'm sure they probably are going to offer it themselves. But I found these and they just screw right in, just quick, easy mod. They cost about $25 or $30, I believe. And I think they just clean up the airflow a little bit better underneath the car.
Okay, very good. So overall, we need to go and take it and do one speed run with it. This is how it's looking. Again, this is an 8S setup. This is not the regular 6S. Last time we did the run, we did it actually with a 6S. And what we were reaching over there, 108.
I think we hit somewhere around 108 or so.
Yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe. We will show the evolution of this vehicle and the speed and how to do so. See you in my next video. This is Eric at RC Monster Garage. This is Darren's vehicle that we're working on, souping it up. And now we're gonna have, by the way, if you want any of those Mamba XLX, a new shipment of those coming to MotoStyles the next couple weeks. So be in touch with us. Bye. See you in my next video. Like and subscribe.